The HiFi brand Yincrow has launched a flagship earbud called the RW-2000. It's pretty much an upgrade to the RW-1000 from a few years ago. It looks quite nice. It's right now coming with a detachable Mxcx cable. It's um it's really premium because you can get it with any plug type that you want, whether you want it with 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 your 3.5 millimeter connector, or you can get it in balanced connection. You can as well swap it out for your favorite cable. It is 16 ohms self-impedance, 112 decibel per milliwatt, around 10 hertz to 40 kilohertz. It is priced at $179. So it is not so cheap, but with the link I'm dropping, you can get discounts, and it is quite nice. A flagship that has a 15 millimeter dynamic driver. Yincrow claims it's tuned well. A lot of people like Yincrow because of their design for their earbuds. They have been the only, at least the major only brand that still keeps making earbuds, and still keeps that market alive in their own little way, even though they don't sell as much as they could have if they were making in-ear monitors. But they still keep that market alive. They've been steady on the grind, putting out earbud after earbud, and even if it's once or twice a year, they still keep on bringing out stuff, and they have really taken their time to be unique in their own right. The Yincrow RW-2000 is not cheap, so if you're somebody that would never spend over $100 on an earbud, maybe this wouldn't be for you. But if you are looking for an earbud that would probably look nice and would probably play well with most of your content, and would probably be very durable because it's made of metal, I think you can look at this. And considering it has detachable cables, and I think you just can make use of it any way that you want to make use of it. So if you don't like the cable that it's coming with, you can as well go ahead and change it out and put any cable that you feel like it is better suited for you and much more comfortable for your needs. It is quite efficient, meaning you can run this off your smartphone, but if you have a DAP, you'll be able to expose its full potential to get the best sound out of it, and that is pretty much what you're gonna get. And for $169, I think it is quite nice for people that still want the old school earbud design, and just wants to at least keep that market alive in their life. And that is pretty much what you get. Be sure you follow us on our YouTube channel. I'll leave links to this product if you're interested to pick it up. Subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media, and I'm going to see you guys next time.